welcomes to online classes. And in class 10th, all of we are starting today chapter 4, that is carbon and its compounds. We will learn about carbon and its compound. Carbon has atomic number 6 and atomic mass 12. Electronic distribution 2 and 4. 4 electrons are present in outermost shell of carbon. And due to its catenation power, carbon forms large number of compounds, and such compounds are used in various purposes such as medicines, cloths, colors, etc. Carbon may form its bond by loss of 4 electron, and it will form C4 plus, or by gain of 4 electron C4 minus. Two type of ions are possible by carbon, but for loss of 4 electron, lot of energy is required. That is not possible. And if 4 electrons are taking place are accepting by carbon to complete its octet, that means 8 electron in outermost shell, then balancing of such electron, that is 6 and plus 4 is equal to 10 electron. 10 electron with 6 proton will be not possible. So carbon do not takes part in ionic bond formation easily. It takes part in covalent bond formation. The 4 electrons present in outermost shell taking place in bond formation by sharing of electron. Most of the hydrocarbons known whom are taking place in bond formation by covalent bond formation, that is by sharing of an electron, resulting 8 electrons being completed with hydrogen. By sharing of 1 and 1 electron, carbon forms 4 single bond with 4 hydrogen atoms, and the compound formed is called as methane. Similarly, you will find that when such carbon takes part in bond formation with other carbon, then large number of carbon atoms may attach by one another. A large carbon containing compound will form like this one. I am showing here only 3 carbon in my chain, carbon chain. Formation of large chain expressed by carbon is called as catenation power of carbon. Catenation power means श्रृंखलन, यानी कि बहुत बड़ी चेन बनाना. इस प्रकार से कार्बन में एक दूसरे कार्बन के साथ जुड़ करके एक लंबी कार्बन चेन बनाने की क्षमता होती है. इस केटेनेशन पावर के कारण कार्बन में डिफरेंट टाइप के कंपाउंड बनाने की एबिलिटी होती है और कार्बन के कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कंपाउंड्स सिंपल कंपाउंड टू से लेकर के और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कंपाउंड तक फॉर्म करने की एबिलिटी पाई जाती है। टू फॉर्म large number of organic compounds, such tendency helps to carbon, that is called as catenation power. And really, if C4 minus ion is formed, then balancing of 4 electrons coming from outside to a carbon atom will be too difficult. Similarly, by loss of 4 electron, I have already told it that 4 electron, if 4 electron is lost by carbon atom, sufficient amount of energy is required. So sharing of electron of other atoms with carbon takes place and covalent bond is formed. Covalent bond, what is covalent bond? Just I am talking about covalent bond. What is covalent bond? When two elements taking part in chemical reaction, in chemical bond formation, by sharing of electron, then the bond formed between them is called as covalent bond. For example, carbon, already I have explained it, that carbon takes part in covalent formation with 4 hydrogen atoms and CH4 is formed. Covalent bond formed by sharing of electron, if sharing takes place by one and one electron, such as in the formation of hydrogen, only one atom, only one electron present in hydrogen atom takes part in chemical bond formation to complete its electronic configuration like their nearest inert gas, that is helium, like this one. Then single bond is formed between both the atoms. If two electrons are taking part in bond formation to complete their electronic configuration like their nearest inert gas, then double bond is formed, like oxygen. Two electrons are taking part in bond formation by sharing of them. 6 electrons are present in outermost shell of oxygen. To complete 8 electrons in its outermost shell, sharing of 2 electrons, 2 electrons takes part, and 8 electrons completed as shown in given molecule. 2 electrons are taking part in bond formation, so double bond is formed. Such bond is called a double bond. And if only one sharing of one electron is takes place, then such bond is called a single bond. Similarly, if 3 electrons are taking part in bond formation, then triple bond is formed, such as in N2 molecule. 3 electrons are taking part in bond formation, like this one. 5 electrons are present in outermost shell of nitrogen. And to complete its octet, 3 electrons are taking part in bond formation, resulting it forms triple bond in the nitrogen molecule, etc. So I think so that about covalent bond, all of you must be clear. When two similar, when two electronegative elements taking part in bond formation, then they form their bond by sharing of electron, and such type of bond is called as covalent bond. And by sharing of one electron, single bond is formed. Two and two electrons, double bond is formed, and three electrons, triple bond is formed, such as shown on your blackboard. Thank you very much. And now we will talk about next point in our next period. Thank you.